Changing your primary email with your bank is an important task to ensure you receive all necessary communications. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit your bank's website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Make sure you are on a secure network to protect your personal information. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find email preferences. In the account settings, locate the email preferences or contact information option. This section allows you to manage your email addresses associated with your account. Step 4. Update your primary email. Select the option to edit your email address. Enter your new primary email address and ensure it is typed correctly. Some banks may require you to confirm the new email by entering it again. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After updating your email, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address. Follow any instructions in that email to verify the change. Make sure to check your new email for any updates or notifications from your bank. Keeping your contact information current is essential for security and communication.